From my time on The Apprentice, I think I really learned to believe in yourself. You really have to back yourself. My name's Nick Showering from Showerings Cider, and I'm the brand manager. As a family, we've been making cider for 180 years, and this is one of the first triple vintage ciders on the market. So we age 3 vintages and blend them into one batch. We're a single orchard cider from Somerset, so we have control from seed all the way to bottle. We only do one type of cider because our ambition is to make the best cider in the world, so we really stick to one and we do it properly. From my time on The Apprentice, I think I really learned to believe in yourself because no one else will when you're on that process. So you really have to back yourself. And that's something I've taken into my business day to day. Unfortunately, Lord Sugar fired me a bit too quickly for him to try the Showering Cider, but I will try and get in touch and send him some. Joining the family business and being responsible for Showering Cider is quite a weight on my shoulders and does give me occasional sleepless nights. I think it's the juggling of plates that really keeps me up. There's all sorts of things I have to get up to. Exhibiting, sales, marketing, operations, dropping cases off by hand. There's all sorts, so it really is about spinning those plates and keeping your eye and focus on everything. This is the first year that we've exhibited at the Food and Drink Expo, and it's been really helpful trying to find potential customers, farm shops, because that's exactly who we try and sell to, those independent farm shops that really support British produce, and it's been very, very fruitful for us. And we've never really done trade shows, and so this year I thought I'd allocate some of my marketing budget to doing them. Looks really good. There are some other really lovely brands here, and I thought it was well aligned to what we're trying to do at Showering Cider, which is to push into more independent British retail. Exhibitions like the Food and Drink Show, where we are today, is really great for meeting a whole bunch of people from around the country in one place. Another added bonus of being at the Food and Drink Show is that we get to trial the cider with our customers face to face. We get immediate feedback, we gauge their reaction, and luckily it's been very positive so far. What's been really interesting at the UK Food and Drink Show this year is the interest that people have in how we make our cider. Everybody here is quite into their artisanal products, and that's exactly where Showering sits. So I've been able to network with potential customers, but also other people in the trade. I've been able to meet lots of customers, some existing customers, potential customers, and it's actually just been really good fun. The majority of people that I've met at the UK Food and Drink Show this year have been independent shop owners, and that's exactly who we're looking to meet. Feedback from my colleagues, very positive. You know, apparently they've had some really great conversations. You get some potentially big buyers. The real highlight for me in Showering Cider this year was when I talked on the cocktail stage about how cider pairs with food, and I had a gentleman come specially for it just to understand how he can elevate his supper clubs and pair cider with his food. As we all know, time is a precious resource, and I spent 3 days up here, but I think it's been well worth it.